mga Basanians, sa niya na sa inyong maanyag nga half Filipino nga ikala, ang iyong Basayan, Jol na malalay ka super kalamisyang baykada, apan single lang gihapon. And welcome back to my self-love channel! It's another episode para sa ating singlecology session azad, and this time it's the part 2 of our solo travel episode. But before we start, if you're new to my channel and single ka at malungkot, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-update ka sa akong mga latest na mga videos. Sa mga Basanians na rin dyan na hanggang ngayon walang jowa kagaya ko, huwag kayong malungkot, okay? Again, dapat mag-solo travel kayo because through solo travel, you'll be able to know yourself more and you become independent and you will realize na kaya mo palang mag-isa at hindi mo kailangan magmukmuk dahil wala kang kasama. Yun na nga mga Basanians, magsusolo travel ako, and sa ating first day dito sa Batanes, we're going to explore the North Batan, and right now I'm still waiting for my tour guide. Magta-tricycle ako ngayon mga Basanians kasi yung yaan nyo walang masyadong malaking budget. So tricycle lang ta ngayon na I'm sure mag-enjoy tayo at marami tayong mapupulot na mga lessons at mga discoveries about this beautiful place of Batanes. Solo travel introduces opportunities that traveling with friends and family wouldn't, such as having full control of everything and fully immersing yourself in the experience. You don't have to follow any schedule, you do everything at your own pace, don't have to compromise, and it lets you enjoy your own company. Solo travel is something not new to me. I was able to visit some places here in the Philippines and abroad on my own. And I'm very glad because this time I was able to explore my dream destination on my 33rd birthday. Finally, I was given the chance to see the beauty of Batanes, the home of the winds, which I considered as the best destination I have visited. Batanes is a 10-piece archipelago with the 3 biggest islands, Sabtang, Batan, and Itbayat being the only ones inhabited. Sabtang and Itbayat are their own municipalities, while Batan is further divided into Basco, Ivana, Uyugan, and Mahatao. Basco is the provincial capital of Batanes. Airlines such as Skyjet and Cebu Pacific fly from Manila, while Philippine Airlines flies from Clark, Pampanga. On my first day, I explored North Batan by tricycle for 1,000 pesos, and the first spot that I visited was the Mount Carmel Chapel. It is built by the traditional way with boulders make up the wall of the chapel. The next famous landmark that I visited was the Pag-asa Weather Station. It allows a 360-degree view of the surrounding landscape, which is composed of Mount Iraya, the sharp cliffs by the beach, and the rolling hills. After that, I checked a Japanese tunnel that was built at the height of the World War II when Batanes was occupied by the Japanese. Hidden in the hills of Tocon, these tunnels served as shelter and even a lookout post for the Japanese soldiers. I also had seen the beauty of Mount Iraya on top of it. Then, we headed to the Valugan Boulder Beach. There is no white sand here. Instead, countless boulders fill Valugan Beach, creating an incredible landscape framed by almost vertical cliffs and rolling hills. The boulders here were carved out by Mount Iraya. From the beach, only the loud whistling of the wind and constant rumbling of the Pacific can be heard as the waves come slapping by the shore with such forceful passion. Surprisingly, the beach makes a relaxing setting. A trip to Batanes will not be complete if you will not be able to see the beauty of Vayang rolling hills. The hills offer beautiful and stunning views of verdant grass and deep blue sea. The environment is very relaxing to the eyes. You can think and dream peacefully while looking at the clouds. The air is refreshing because of the cool breeze coming from the sea. I was so amazed seeing the iconic structure of the province, the Basco Lighthouse in 90 Hills. A viewing deck circled the fifth floor, providing a fantastic view of the West Philippine Sea and the town proper. Basco Lighthouse was erected in 2003 at the site of the town's former lighthouse and American telegraph facilities, which were destroyed during the war. And I ended this beautiful day with delicious Batan dishes such as lunyes with turmeric rice, oven balls, and pakot salad. It's nice to have some quiet time alone while taking in the sights, sounds, tastes, and experiences of the place. It might be a cliché thing to say, but finding yourself would be, at the most basic level, a good reason for people to try solo travel. They learn their limits, develop more sound decisions, and immerse in something they really, truly enjoy without having to think of what other people would think or say. I hope nag-enjoy mo sa akong video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and if you have suggestions or mga ideas kung saan magpakita o self-love, please comment down below para atong madiscuss atong mga maabot na mga videos. And mga Pasaynians, please follow me on my Facebook page, the Jolena Balaling page, my Instagram account, Miss Jolena Balaling, o ang ako Twitter account na J Balaling. Mga Pasaynians, always remember that being single is smarter than being in a wrong relationship. See you!